And mortgage rates, despite the fact that we have an incompetent chairman of the Fed, a real dope, who should reduce rates. I saw even Jamie Dimon said he should be reducing rates. I never saw Jamie Dimon say that.
Yeah, he just said that. But we knew Jerome Powell wasn't going to hang around much longer anyways. The question is dropping interest rates, is that the answer to fix our housing problem that we have right now? Sellers are sitting on the market longer. Some of them are even pulling their homes in record numbers off the market to try it out again later because the inventory is starting to climb. Why? Because buyers can't afford homes. The 6%, and I get it, 6% over X amount of years is below the national average or below the average, and yet 6% on a $200,000 home X amount of years ago was affordable. 200,000 or 6% on a $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 home. I've seen it as high, according to Redfin, some starter homes in metro areas at $1 million. 6% is unaffordable. So what do? Do we get a new Fed chair in, which is going to happen, and do we drop the interest rates? What does that do? Well, it's going to flood the market with buyers, and all of a sudden, sellers are going to have multiple offers again on their property, and it should start to decrease our increasing inventory. But what happens with those sales prices? I think it would be similar to 2020 when all of a sudden there are multiple offers on homes, and now because there's multiple offers and buyers aren't sitting on the market anymore, the sales prices are going to go up. So that reduction that we've been seeing across the country in home prices is going to go the opposite way. It's going to shoot back up, again, kicking the can down the road and making homes unaffordable. We had an increase in the amount of homes being built by builders in 22 and 23, but it still doesn't keep up with the amount of homes that are needed to meet demand. Building is the only answer, and regulations need to be fixed. Red tape needs to be removed to make that happen faster, and yet there's no way that's going to happen fast enough. They're not going to all of a sudden flood the market with an insane amount of homes that fixes that problem. I don't have the answer. All I know is that realtors, this is what we need to be educating our buyers and our sellers for. And if there are going to be sellers coming back on the market next year, when the buyers come back on because of this interest rate, it's our job to get in front of them as soon as possible, before Zillow can, before Redfin can, before all of these tech companies can, and get in touch with them and make yourself the economist of choice. If you are not putting out content right now, if you're not doing buyer webinars, seller webinars, online right now, if you're not doing digital open houses and meeting these agents right now so they can grow a relationship with you right now, by the time they go to hire someone, they're going to hire that guy off of Zillow instead of having a relationship with you and hiring you.